join once again. Okay, so we did yesterday homework, right? So I have given homework, so that question you want me to solve, right? So what is the question? Multiplication 85.103, right? Yes. So multiply what? Fourth question, 85.103 into 1.52. Yes. So if you multiply, it is very easy. Okay. So here 85.103, in the multiplication you may have done something wrong. Okay. So that is why you are getting different answer, right? So let us see here. It is very easy. So how to do? First we have to multiply with 2. 2 threes 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, right? 2 ones are 2. Next how much? 2 fives is how much? 10, carry 1. Okay, so 2 8s are 16, 1 70, right? Yes. So plus or into, next 5 you have to do, right? So if you do with 5 here, what will be the answer? Yes, yes,
Sir,
yes.
your voice we can can't hear, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So here if you see the next, that is 5, 5 threes 15, carry 1, 5 0 0, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5 here, right? So that is the second level now. Okay, second level. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, carry 2. So 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, right? Yes, someone's mic is making problem. Switch it off. Ambanna, Ambanna C, Manjunath, keep it off. Your mic is making problem. Okay, so that is 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. Now third layer now, that is 1. So 1 means it will be same answer, 1 only, right? So that is 3 0, same 1 5 and how much? 8, right? So if you add now, what will be the answer? 6 here, 8 here, right? So then is 3, then is how much? 6 here, and then here 17 and carry 1. Next it will be how much? 12, carry 1, 5. So that is the answer. Yes?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is it correct? So in the next second step also you have to put addition symbol, right? Yes, very good. Okay, good. So see here, here this we missed. Okay, somewhere we did wrong. That's what I thought. So here plus, then how much? 3 0 1 5 8, right? So here 6 5, how much here? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 here, 5 as it is. Next is here 13, right? Carry 1. Here how much? That is 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Here 12. So 129. Now here how many points are there in the first number? 3 decimal places. Here how many? 2. So total how many decimal places? Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 decimal places we have to give. So 5 means how much it will be? Yes, 3 4 5. So 129. Yes, 129.35656. Yes, that is the answer. Got it? So now let us see next type of questions. Okay, so these type of, next type of questions. Okay, so these type of questions will be given in the exam. Okay, so see here how to do these type of questions. We have to check it first. Okay, so we have to check it and easily you can do it. Understand? Yes. Okay, so see here, what is given question here? 500 into 4.7. The answer is how much? If you multiply, 2350 is the answer. They have given as that much is the answer. Okay, that is correct, they have given. So we have to use that. What you have to do? You have to use that to find the next answer. Okay, so then they are asking what? This answer they are asking. Then this answer 235 divided by 47 will be how much? So you have that, you have 235 that is here and 47 here, so the answer will be in terms of like this, right? It will be answer like this, that is in 5 term. Okay, so if you do like that, so how to do this we have to see. So from this we have to come to this one, from this we have to come to this one, we have to change. Okay,
Sir, verification method.
Yes, we have to change that, we have to change that given number to this. Okay, so let us do that now. So here
Sir,
what,
I can't see the screen.
join once again. Who is that again and again facing problem? What's your, so these type of questions are given, right? So we have 47 here, 47 is there, we have 2350, that is 235 we have, so the answer should be in terms of this. Okay, so what we do is we will separate it. Okay, so what we will do, we need this one we need, so we will take it to one side. Divided by means what? Divided by, this is what, this is divided by, right? So if you write it in division form, it will be how much? That is 235 divided by 47 is question mark, right? That is we have to find divided by. So here we have to separate that. Okay, what we have to do, we have to separate that. So see here how to separate it. Okay, so we need this one now, we need this one, how to separate it, let us see. So this is in multiplication, this 4.7 is there, right? This is in multiplication. If you have to take it to that side, what you have to do, you have to take it to that side to separate it, right? We have to separate that. So if you take this multiplication that side, what it will become, tell me? Yes, it will become division. Okay, so multiplication, it will become division. Okay, yes, it will become division. Okay, okay, silence enough. So it will become, wait, listen here, listen, it will come, listen for some time, wait, it will come. Okay, don't worry. So 1 or 2 seconds, sometimes it will break. So if you take to that side, it will divide, right? So if you take that division, so what will be the answer here? This 500 will be there, that is we have taking that side, separating. So 2350 divided by how much? 4.7, we took that side, that is division, right? Yes, okay, so we have to write like that. Now we got separate, this one we got, but we need in this form. So here if you see, there is no 0 here, but in the question there is 0 here, so we have to remove that, right? We have to remove that, isn't it? And there is no point here, there is point here, there is no point in the question. Okay, so how to do that? We have to remove the point first. What you do? You remove the point. So both side we have to do that. Okay, so if you see here, 500 is equal to, so 2350 divided by 4.7 is there, right? So we know, I told you, when there is one point, what we have to do? We have to multiply one point in the denominator, means we have to multiply the numerator. What you have to do? You have to multiply the numerator. Where we have to multiply? In the numerator. So into 10. 1 point means into 10. Okay. So next step I have done. So 1 point is gone, means we have to multiply in the numerator in the next step. Okay. So next, after this what we do? See here. So you multiply with how much? 10 here. So 500 is equal to how much? 2350 into 10. So what will be the answer? So 1 extra 0. 1 means tenza means 1 0, right? That is 21 tenza, or 12 tenza is 120, right? Just 1 extra 0. 21 tenza is 210. So like that, tenza means 1 extra 0 we have to write, right? So if you multiply, then it will be how much now? 47. Okay, but what do we need? We need this one, we need 235 divided by 47, but it is 23500, right? 2 zeros are there, so 2 zeros means we divide on both side by 100. what we will do, we will divide, we have to do both side. Okay, so divide with both side by 100. Okay, so if you divide with both side by 100, what will be, yes, 500 divided by how much, 100 here. Okay, is equal to, is there, right? Next, so 2 3 how much, that is 23500 divided by 47 divided by 100. If you divide with 100, what will be the answer? When there are zeros, zeros we have to cancel it. What you have to do? Zeros we have to cancel it. Okay, understand? So if you cancel the zeros, what will be the answer here? Yes, so here 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone here. Here also 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. So what will be the answer of this question then? 5 is equal to 235 divided by 47. This is the question here, isn't it? Yes, this is the question. So here what will be the answer then? If you write this next, that is 5 is there here this side, right? So this side we have 5 is equal to this side 235 divided by 47. That is the answer. So for this answer will be 5, right? So that is how we have to do. Understand? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, so see here, first question, second question is there, right? So which should I do? Should I do first one or second one? Tell me. Both are same only. Huh? Okay. So first and second, I will do second one. Second one is little difficult. Second one is little difficult. I will do the second one. Okay. So see here. So it is very simple question. What is the question? Simplify the following expression in the fractional form. So first we have to do this simplification and then write the fraction, right? So we have studied that how to do, isn't it? So second question. So if you see here, first is minus and then plus and then minus, right? So we have to do one by one. Okay, or you can do this addition and minus is plus, right? Minus into minus is plus. So this addition then minus it, right? Yes. So that you can do, or you can do separately one by one. We will do one by one only. Otherwise you will get confused. So this 2 you minus it. What will be the answer? 4.93 minus 2.47. What will be the answer? Tell me. Here 6. Then here 4 point. Right? I am doing directly. Borrow and all. That is 13 minus 7. Here 8 minus 4. So point as it is. When there is point in the addition or subtraction, we will give the point. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. After that, we have to add how much? Plus is 3 point. How much? 6, 1. So add it. What will be the answer? Yes? 6.07 is the answer. Okay? 6.07. Next, minus how much? 4.78. So here 7 minus 8 we cannot do, we have to borrow it, right? So 0 is there next, so we have to borrow it from here. 5. Here it will be, then 9, it will be 17. 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. Okay, yes. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Point. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer is how much? Here 1.29 is the answer, right? So till here, any doubt for anyone? Tell me. In the fraction. So what is we have to do? We have to write it in the fraction now. This is the decimal. I told you how to write in the fraction, right? So here 1.29 is there. If there are two decimal places in the denominator, yes, in the denominator, what we have to write? Yes, 2 zeros. What we have to write? We have to write how many zeros? 2 zeros in the denominator. Okay, that is, if there are two decimal places, we have to write 2 zeros in the denominator. Understand? So it will be 129 divided by 100. Right? So if you divide with 129, it will be 1 and how much? 29 by 100 is the answer in the mixed fraction. Got it? Yes? Okay. Yes. Write it down. Verify that. Okay. So see here, first question, right? So here first question is also same as second question. Okay. So it is very easy. What? Same in the fractional form we have to write. So this answer is how much? 1.35 minus how much? 1.35 minus we have to do. That is how much? 3.57 minus is how much? 1.35. We have to do this one first. Right? So what it will be? Answer. Okay? Yes? So if you minus it, how much answer you will get? Tell me. Yes? Huh? Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Point as it is. Yes, point as it is. Next, 5 minus 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So 2.22. Next, we have to add this one. Plus how much? 2.63. So 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. Point as it is. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4.85 is the answer now. So 4.85. Yes, 4.85 means 4 is separate number. Okay, good. So 4.85 means 4 is separate number. You take it 4. Now 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means how many zeros we have to divide with? Tell me. 85 divided by, we have to divide with 100. How much we have to divide? 2 zeros means 2 decimal places means 2 zeros. How much we have to do? I told you how to convert the decimal places. Isn't it? Yes, 1.1 decimal place means 1 0. Right? So we have done this here. Can you see this? Yes. 1 0 means 1 decimal place. Okay. 1 decimal place means 1 0. Right? So this is questions we have done. So that is what we are doing now. Right? So 1 decimal place means 1 0. Okay. So 1 0 means 1 decimal place. So 2 decimal places means 2 zeros we have to take. Yes. So 1.10. So next it will be 485 by 100. Okay. 85 and 100 will come with in which table? Tell me. Yes. 5 table. Yes. Yes, it will come in 5 table. So divide with 5 table. What will be the answer? Yes. Yes. Okay, so 5 17s is the 85. 5 how many is 100? 5 2s are 10. 5 20s are 25 is 100, right? Yes. Yes. So 5 85 means 5 7 17 5 is 85. So what answer it will be? Tell me. Yes. 4 and 17 by 20. 4 and 17 by 20 is the answer here. Got it everyone? How to do? Yes? Okay, good. Write it down. Okay? Yes, very easy. So see here, we divided, right? Direct division we did. 5 divided by 85 and 5 also with 100. So 100 if you divide, you will get 20 answer. And if you divide with 85 with 5, you will get 17 answer. You can do this division also. Okay?
Third question.
Third is also same. You try to do homework. If you don't get, ask me tomorrow. Okay? Understand? Homework it is. You do it homework. If you don't get, ask me tomorrow. So should we go to the fourth question? Yes, fourth question is also same. Will you do this question? Fourth question same? Yes? Homework. Okay? Try to do it. If you don't get, ask me tomorrow. Okay? So this question I just now explained this. Right? This question just now I explained. What will be the answer here? Yes? 5 is the answer. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. So that what we will do is I will explain once again so you will understand. Okay. Huh. Yes, I will tell it later. Tomorrow you try to do, and if you don't get, ask me tomorrow. Third one. Okay.
Sir, with first one we have to do minus third one, no, sir, and with
You
second
minus
one,
these two
plus
first, or you can here you can do the addition. First, this is plus, right? This is like this, right?
minus
Yes.
minus plus.
Huh. So this minus minus plus you can do, or you can do like this. First you add. This is addition, right? This you add, then minus it one by one. Okay. So what you do? You first add these two numbers. Okay. Yes. Addition plus with plus. So that is 13.87 plus how much? 11.96. You do it from the answer. Next you minus it. 9.64 from the answer you get it, right? From the answer 9.64. Next answer, what answer you get? You minus the 15.83. Understand? Yes, this is how you have to do third question. Okay.
Sir, after
Yes, then you convert it into fraction. Understand? So now let us go to the fifth question. Fifth question is also very easy. We have already done. So what we have to do here, tell me. So this is the question, right? So 500 into 4.7 is equal to 2350. So this is answer you get if you multiply. So this answer they are asking divided by. Okay. So what will be answer for this? So we have to change into this. What you have to do? We have to change this into this. Okay now. So I will write divided by directly here. So I told you here directly if you take this multiplication, if you take to that side, it will become what? Division. It will become division or not? So 500 is equal to 2350 divided by how much? 4.7. Yes? How much? 4 divided by 4.7. So multiplication if you take to that side, it will become division. Okay, right. So divided by 4.7. So 1 point is there. So 1 point means what we have to do? We have to multiply with how much? Yes, tell me. 10. So 500 is equal to 2350 divided by 47 into how much we have to do? If you remove 1 point, we have to multiply with 10. If you remove in the denominator, we have to multiply with numerator. If you remove from the numerator, you have to multiply with the denominator, opposite. Okay, understand? So the point is gone from the what? Denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator. So if you multiply, what answer you will get? 500 is equal to, so 2350 divided by 47, you will get the answer if you multiply with 10 here, right? So if you multiply with 10, you will get answer how much? 23,500, right? Yes, you will get if you multiply these two, tens are. That is what? One decimal place. We have to remove that. This is what? This 235 divided by 47. We have to change it into this. So if you want to change it, we have to separate it, right? Yes? Isn't it? Yes? We have to separate it. We want this one now. We need this one. We have to change it into this. Okay? So this is the answer now. 500 is equal to 2350 divided by 47. Now what we have to do both sides? We have to divide with 100. Yes. So we have to divide with.
Why did we add here 10, sir? In first one, 500 is equal to.
So now we have to divide both side by 100. Both side divide 100. If you divide with 100, you will get answer, right? So 500 divided by 100. Yes, both side we have to divide with 100. Okay, divide with 100. So it will be how much? 500 divided by 100. and this side we divided with 500, then this side also. So divided by how much we have to do? Yes, 47 divided by 100 we have to do. If you divide with 100, we know we have to cancel the zeros. What you have to do? Cancel the
Cancel.
zeros. Cancel the zeros means it will be how much answer now? Yes, 500 divided by how much? 100 is there, right? That is 23500 divided by 47 divided by 100. So we have to cancel the zeros. So 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, cancel. This side also 1 0 this side, 1 0 this side, 1 0 this side, 1 0 this side, or you can directly cancel the zeros, okay, on the both side,
Sir, I did
right?
the second column. The
Hmm.
second column.
Okay, fine. So or cancel the zeros on both side, okay. So if you do the cancellation of the zeros, it will be 5 here, okay. So 5 will be remaining this side. Now 100 is gone, zeros are gone, right? 5 is remaining here, and this side how much is remaining here? Yes, tell me. This 235 235 divided by 47. Got it? Okay now? Okay, good. So see here. Okay, we'll do one more question. See here. Sixth question is homework. It is very easy. The answer will be option A. Do it as homework. Okay. So let us go to the seventh question. Should we go to the seventh question now? Huh? Sixth one you divide with 100 only, because 100 two zeros will come. You divide with 100 only. Okay. So seventh question, if you see here, what is the answer? 7000 into 8.13. So you have to find this one. You take it to that side, it will divide. So here 56910 divided by how much? 8.13. So it will be how much? This side 7000 is there, right? That is gone. 7000 means now we know what we have to do here. Two zeros are there, two decimal places are there. So how much we have to multiply here? Tell me. With 100 we have to multiply. So answer will be how much? 7000 is equal to 56910 into 100 divided by how much? 813. Yes, not 700, it will be 7. Option B. Okay. Yes. So okay. So now if you multiply with 100, how much answer you will get? 7000 is equal to 5691000. Two extra zeros are there, right? Yes, into 100 means two zeros extra. So two zeros extra we have to put, okay, into 100 means. Next it is 813. We want this one here, right? So we have to remove the zeros. What you have to do? We have to remove the zeros. Here 10, here 10 gone. Here 10, here 10 gone. Here 10, here 10 gone. So answer will be how much? 7. Understand? So option is option B. Got it? Okay, write it down. Okay, yes, that is correct. Okay, so if you see 8th question, it is very easy. So the question is what decimal of an hour is a minute? An hour means how much? An hour means 1 hour. How much? An hour means 1 hour. And a minute means how much? 1 minute. Right? So 1 minute in 1 hour. So 1 hour means how many minutes we have to take? 60 minutes. Right? Then we have to divide with 60 now. 1 by 60. So 1 by 60 means how much will be the answer? You divide with 60. We know we have done the division. Right? 1 with 60. Now 1 is smaller. 1 is smaller means there is no next digit, means what we have to do? We have to take point.
I can't see the screen, sir.
Join once again. You have to take point here. Okay. So if you take point, we can take 10 here. What we can do? Tell me. we can take 1 0 with point. Now this is also small, right? This is also small means we have to give 1 0 to take the next digit, right? So we have to give 1 0 here, so we can take one extra 0. Okay, so here divide with 60. Now 100 is there, right? 60 how many is 60 ones are 60, so 100 minus 60 will be how much? 40 answer, right? So now 40, yes, yes, so 40 is what? Smaller, so point is there. Point means what we can do? We can take 1 0 here. If you take 1 0 here, it will become 400. So 60 how many is 6 6 are 36, right? So 66 are how much?
360.
360, right? So if you minus 360, what you will get again? 40 answer, right? Again we have to take 1 0 here, so it will become 400 again. So 6 are, it will be 360. So minus if you do, you will get again 40. So it will repeat. So point 0.016 option is option D. Okay, so that is the answer. Or you can take 0.016. Okay, so that is the answer. See, listen here, silence. So see here, this is ninth question. Ninth question is very easy. Okay, ninth question is very easy here. So if you see ninth question, silence, enough, silence, enough. So here ninth question is the right, it is very easy. So ninth question is what? Decimal of an hour is 15 minutes. So we have to take 15 minutes divided by how much? An hour. 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes, right? Minute 15 divided by 60 minute. So here 15 divided by 60 here. Okay, so you do it, you will get the answer. So it will be 0.25 answer, right? So you can divide with 15. 15 divided by 60 means 15 table, right? Yes, 15 how many is 15 ones are 15 fours are, so it will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means you do it the point and you will get the answer. Okay, got it? Okay, yes, yes. So do that like that. And then 10th is you write the decimal form of this homework. Okay, next 10th is what is the decimal form of an hour is 45 minutes, 45 seconds. So 45 seconds divided by how much? 1 hour, an hour. So 45 seconds you write it like this. 1 hour means how many seconds? First 60 minutes and then 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 1 hour means how many seconds? It will be 60 60s are how much? Yes, 36. 6 6 how much? 6 6 are 36 and then 2 zeros as it is. Okay na? So 36. So then you have to do it. Okay, so 46 divided by 3600. Okay, so will you try to do? You try to do. If you doubt, ask me tomorrow homework. Okay, okay. Yes, so till 23 questions all are addition subtraction. You have to do homework. Okay, understand? Okay, good. So any doubt now? Will everyone be able to do? Madtirilla? Okay. Okay, good. Do it. Okay.